Your Instagram account is disabled and nothing can be more despairing than that. But alright, you are here at the perfect place where there still exists chance for getting your ID back. So in today's video, we will talk about the only possible and working method by which you can recover your disabled Instagram account back. So with that being said, your what's up guys, Lavito here, and now without wasting any more time, let's move straight into the video. This video is gonna be a little big and that's why you will need to watch this video till the end, because if you will miss any of the steps then you will lose all the chances of recovering your ID back. So what happens when Instagram bans you is that your account automatically logs out from the app, and when you try logging in back, you see an error message saying that your account has been disabled for violating Instagram terms, and you will only get a single button for responding, and that will be learn more. Now here comes two subdivisions which you will need to understand and figure out if you want to recover your disabled account back. A lot of people complain that their Instagram account is banned for no reasons, or some know the reasons why they got banned. But the thing lies between is the actual understanding of the guidelines. Now maybe this was pretty confusing and non-understandable for a lot of you, but I am simplifying it, and it's simple like Instagram never bans you without any suspicious activity or repeated reports of your account. By summarizing the Instagram guidelines, it's simple as posting illegal activities, hate speech, nudity or graphic violence will get your account disabled. But apart from that, the second subdivision I was talking about was a wrong judgment taken by Instagram automated system. One of my friends reported her fake account, and what Instagram did is it banned the main reporter's account instead of the fake one, and even when she tried recovering it back, they were asking for ID proofs after disabling the main account, considering as impersonation. Now if your account got banned for the second thing what I told, which was about main reported account is disabled, and this is happening with a lot of people too, or any other thing which is something relatable to this. So in these kind of cases, right now the chances of recovery is completely possible for disabled account. But you will need to make sure that your Instagram account name and the name on your ID proof should match, and also they will ask for a photo-based government ID proof. And in case if your account is disabled because of multiple reports or any suspicious activity, then still in 50% of the case the accounts are restored. But if you have posted something violating Instagram guidelines, which I mentioned above, or even shared those things in DM or stories publicly, then your account recovery percentage is very low. So before moving to the next step, make sure in which category your Instagram account lies. Before we move to the main part of the video, I got something amazing for you guys, and it's about getting more reach and real followers on Instagram. Well, I am talking about goso.io. The link for Goso is also given below in the video's description, and by using Goso services, you can get real followers. And the best thing is that the followers adds you by real adding method, by properly searching for your username and then going to your profile and then pressing the follow button. And all the other services of Goso, Power Likes and Goso services works this way only. You can boost your followers, likes and views on your Instagram account by using it. You must give it a try for sure. And for the people who get disabled on Instagram for ordering fake and bot followers, this is the best alternative. And trust me, by using Goso services, you will never ever get banned or disabled by Instagram, because the algorithm Goso uses is just like a normal human person follows. Instagram doesn't provide precise guidance for why accounts are disabled, but it does say that it results from violating community guidelines or terms of use. Repeat offenders may also find their account permanently removed with no possible recourse. But the good news is that it isn't too complicated to get your ID back if it's been disabled. It might take a few days, but that's nothing compared to the months or years of your photos in your account. So now first visit the link number 1, which is in your video's description, and it will open an Instagram form. You will need to fill it with the name, Instagram username, email, and in the lower text area type your message that your Instagram account is accidentally disabled and you didn't violate any guidelines. Now you have to visit the second link, and then you will need to enter all the details correctly. It will ask for your name, username, email and country this time. In email address, you will have to enter your email which was registered from that Instagram account, and also the same email address will be used for communicating with Instagram support team. So once you are done with these two steps, you will need to wait for something around 12 hours. Within 12 hours, you will get a mail from Facebook support team regarding the tickets you created from the previous two forms. There you will have to firstly prove that you are the real account holder. So they will mail you a 6-digit code, which you will need to write that code, your full name and username on a white paper just this way, and then you will have to click a picture along with your face and you will have to reply on that mail by attaching that picture. After that, they will review your account completely and they will again respond you within hours. You can also write your case if you're 100% sure that your account has been disabled for no reasons by Instagram. Now after manual review, Instagram team will come to a conclusion, and in case if your account was disabled by mistake, and then they will mail you something like this, that thanks for verifying your identity, you're almost done recovering your account, and they will provide you a link for resetting your password. You will need to click on that and then you will have to set a new password for your restored account, and that's all. And in case if they still find that you have violated Instagram community's guideline, then they will mail you that after manual review we have figured out that your account was violating Instagram community guidelines. Hence your account can be recovered, and after this mail they will close the ticket from their end and you won't get any further replies after that mail. Also, I will suggest you to read complete guidelines of Instagram and make sure not to use any harassing or abusive words on Instagram, especially to any opposite genders. Instagram automated system keeps scanning the words used even in chats. There are various more reasons by which your Instagram account can get partial ban or action block. But this video was about if your account has been disabled by Instagram and you have lost access to your account. This whole process does not guarantee that you will get your ID back, but still it works in most of the cases, and this is the only possible way by which you can get your ID back and by which you can contact and reach Instagram support team. So if you have lost your account for no reasons, then you will get back your account for sure. It will take few days, but you will get your ID back, and Instagram account really matters as your photos, DMs, followers, and almost everything. So guys, this was all about Instagram account recovery, and I have provided all the links in the video's description. And guys, please make sure to read all the Instagram guidelines for keeping your account on a safe side and for preventing future Instagram bans and Instagram disabled account. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram at @TheFatRat_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. And if you're having any question in your mind regarding this video, then please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am DeVan Sharon, and I'll catch you in the next one.